Hey, it's Big Jeff in the house. I've been feeling under the weather, so that's why I'm doing some videos at the desk here. But we're talking about something that really hit good. It was the Basshead Garage wireless bass knob. Let's get a step further, and let me show you what I'm talking about. So we have them here now, and we are actually printing the 3D print over here, which also allows us to offer you different colors. Also new is we are also right there. You see the clip, the holder. Well, let me see if I got one here. Let me enlarge my screen. Okay, the clip holder, you can kind of glue it on the back or 3M it or whatever you want to do. And then the bass knob just pops right in. Okay, these are coming with everyone. So these come black no matter what, and it comes with the normal one. If you want different colors, and let me pull that back up again, you'll see on the website you can pick different colors for an added fee. It adds 2 business days to it, that's all, but it'd be cool to customize and get a color that you want. So this is the Big Jeff edition of the Basshead Garage wireless bass knob, and it's really cool. So let me show you what we're doing here after we 3D print, and why it's a collab between us and Basshead Garage. They're sending us all the parts, we're 3D printing, we're putting them together, and we're able to do some cooler stuff for you. So take a watch this. Okay, so that is in high speed. We're putting them all together here. We're making sure they work, and we're printing black, but if you decide you want a color, we're going to put yours together. So it's really cool. Now, check out the new model, which uses a different, basically, antenna. That's an upgrade this year. Watch how far you can go back. This is a 2-minute video, but one of our warehouse guys kind of shows you how. Now, keep in mind, you can set the amount of per turn. Okay, so you see him twisting it because he has it at the lowest. You could set it very high, so all you gotta do is do a couple turns, and you can change that. Really cool in the menu features. But watch how good this thing works. So what you're seeing here is all you need is power and ground and a remote turn on, okay? And then you have RCAs coming in and RCAs coming out. So this is not just a bass knob, it is a volume knob. You can use it on anything, even if you need a left and right signal. So he's wiring this up. Let's play this back. So we basically have it going out from our head unit, our source, and then going back into the amp, all right? When you turn this on for the first time, it will say pairing. It's looking for the closest module. So it does it all itself. You can go back in the menu and there's, like I told you, you can set the steps on volume and a few other things, but it automatically connects. Now, you see this also, it shows the voltage. So wherever you have it connected, it's reading that voltage, which is kind of cool to see. And you also see the volume. It's a very firm knob, and you can push down for mute, or you can hold it down to get in the menu. It's a really cool item. So you see each turn, it's barely moving. You can change that. I have it in Yukon where each turn is like 20 clicks, right? So it gets there quicker, but you could change all that. But he's showing you here the voltage readout and how it's turning up. Now he's walking back, and this is approximately at least 30 to 50 feet. So this thing works really good distance with the new antenna. Okay, that really shows it better, him turning it down, the music going down, so you know it's working. And that right there is 30 feet easy. So this is how well it works, okay? We have them on the website right now. There is a sale price right now, but that's gonna go up right after February. And if you want your special color, you're gonna purchase it, and you'll see where you can pick a color. It'll throw a few dollars on there, and it'll just take us 1 to 2 extra days. That's it. But we have them here. We're putting them together. We're printing them. We pre-printed, and we have all the, man, it's a lot of parts in there. Here's one taken apart, and I probably couldn't even break out all the parts because it's got a lithium cell phone battery, which means it has a good charge. The LCD, there's that, and then like a ton of screws to put this thing together. So I'm Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com, representing Basshead Garage in the USA. They've been working with us since they started. It's a good relationship, and allowed us to make a Big Jeff edition. And that edition is just having our name on it and giving you color options, right? And we're putting them together here. So thanks for watching this. Check it out on our website. I'm sure there'll be links or where to go, but get yours today. They're going to move fast.